Guys, Jay here from WoodPigeon Outdoors. Today we're making pesto. Yeah. So I'm not a big fan of pesto. Jill found a awesome and amazing recipe online for Wildedible Pesto. She knows I don't like pesto. I think it's hippie food. The way she made it before. But she said if I make some with wild edibles, would I try it? I said yep.
And
it was good.
you liked it.
So now we're making it again. Right. So for the pesto, we need mustard garlic. How much do we need?
A cup of mustard garlic.
A cup of mustard garlic. So I'm going to show you guys what mustard garlic looks like right now. Here is garlic mustard when it's young. Alright, and a good way you could tell is by the lobed leaves. And also, if you scrunch it up and smell it, it should smell like garlic. So this is this year's batch, right? It's last year's batch. All right, you notice the leaves are a little bit different, and this is the fruit of the plant. So these are all the seeds that come back for the next batch. So this is what's next on the list. We need this cheese, Parmesan.
Or Parmesan, or Parmigiano, or any Italian hard ripped cheese.
Okay. And what's in there?
In there it's the Fiddle Heads. So they're cooking.
So Fiddle Heads are the ferns, and to how you find out what a fiddle head is, usually find them in spring, and they look like a head of a fiddle, hence the term fiddlehead. It's ideal to know what a fiddlehead is. I believe the fiddlehead has two little bumps, so the stem of it looks something like that. And if it's not a fiddlehead, it would be straight, like a D. Alright, so we got the cheese. We got the garlic mustard that you saw. We got the fiddle heads. I don't know what's next. Babe. 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 Babe.
What?
What's next?
You will need some basil.
Basil?
Yeah.
Now, do you guys pronounce it basil or basil? Write it in the comments below.
Yeah, I know this one I'm probably wrong.
So, basil or basil? How many cups of everything do we really need?
Well, it depends how much you want to make.
We're just making a little bit.
Just a little bit. You need like something like a cup of each.
So a cup of fiddle heads.
A cup of garlic mustard, a cup of basil, and a quarter of cup of Parmesan cheese, a quarter of cup of oil. It's better to do olive oil, which we don't have any, so we use vegetable oil, like cooking oil.
Okay.
It's just to do like the oily, pasty texture of the pesto. And a quarter of cup of walnuts.
Walnuts.
Which we use as well.
Do we have walnuts?
Yeah.
We got walnuts. So, we'll get the walnuts and we'll see what happens. Roasting the nuts, as you see there, and being cooled off there. And we got the basil, fresh from the plant, as you saw, that was over there. Cup of fiddleheads, a cup of garlic mustard, a quarter cup of basil, a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese or some sort of Italian cheese, and how much walnuts?
How much what?
Walnuts?
A quarter cup.
A quarter cup of walnuts. Alright. As you see, she's doing an awesome job in the back doing that. She's got it all covered. She knows what she's doing. Alright guys, one of the things that you want to remember, very important, alright, when you're cooking anything with wild edibles and you bring them in the house, you want to make sure there is no pesticides used on the lawn. As well, you want to clean everything properly and give it a good rinse. Because you never know, if you're out in the woods, you know, a squirrel could have peed on it, a human could have peed on it, something like that. So you want to make sure everything's all clean and proper when you make your foods. Alright. So you throw everything into a food processor. We're using a magic bullet. Done.
No, not yet.
Okay, so we're not done. But I'm getting hungry.
Okay, so do you like it with a lot of cheese, a little bit of cheese?
What do you guys think? I say let's go cheesy. You like cheesy.
I like cheese.
You like cheesy because you're with me.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm as cheesy as they come.
Sure. Can you grab me a sheet of paper?
I'll be back. So after the cheese, what do we use?
We put the nuts.
We put the nuts?
Yeah.
Can we put a lot of nuts?
Because you're nuts.
Yeah, I'm really nutty.
Do you want to do the cheese?
Yes.
Yes, you want to do the cheese.
Tastes like it was made with real Italians. Are we done yet?
Yes, we are.
That means I get to eat?
Yeah. Cheese.
I like that.
Yeah?
Yeah. This is Wildedible Pesto. And thanks to Jill. Have you... She found the recipe, and yeah, we'll write down the recipe down below, so check it out. If you like the video, what do?
Oh, thumbs up.
And don't forget to comment and share, and we'll catch you next time. Alright guys, so until next time, stay safe out there. Cheers.